Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos.
Welcome again friends. Some websites on the internet may access the list of installed languages in Windows 10. They use this information to provide a localized content and switch to your native language, so you don't have to customize your preferences for each website individually. If you are not happy with this default behavior, Windows 10 includes a special option to prevent websites from accessing the language list for your user account. In this video, you'll learn the steps to enable or disable website access to language list in Windows 10. Use these steps to enable or disable website access to language list in Windows 10. First, open the settings and go to privacy. Next, click the general. On the right, turn off or on the option let websites provide locally relevant content by accessing my language list. Turn off website access to language list. You can now close the settings app. The option is enabled by default.